I get sent a lot of products, which intentionally actually clogs up my workspace, but this one helped me out. Now, I'm a massive user of Windows, Android, and I know you Apple haters are probably gonna hate me, but no, hear me out. I use the iPad 12.9 inch and I use a 2020 MacBook Air. I like to display my tech. It just makes me feel good. I can't always have it out on display because I don't have enough space. So a company reached out and they said, look, we see your content, we see you are making moves in the tech scene and getting so much stuff that you don't have space anymore. We want to send you a product. And I said, okay, send away. And then this arrived. This is a little stand from SODI and it says, explore the mystery. I don't know what that means. Very simplistic, cheap as anything. It's like £17 on Amazon. As small as this is, okay, thin, aluminium, nice, cheap. It does an amazing job. What this is potentially is a stand for tablets, laptops and whatnot. It is dedicated to Apple users, but I guess you could use it for anything. You know, put a bit of bread in there. You know, the laptop goes in here, that pinches down onto it tightly, and then you have these two stands on each side for your tablets. Let me demonstrate. MacBook slots in. See how it pinches each end here? Beautiful. iPad. Bosh. Look how much space that's just saved me. Bearing in mind, if I have my tablet out and my MacBook, I've already lost all of my space. Okay, all I've got is space for the stand in the middle and a couple of plants on each end. As soon as you take this stand, MacBook in, iPad on one side, hell, you could even have another iPad on the other side, and it would just make this beautiful pyramid that can go in the corner, out the way. You now have a full desk again to work with, to do whatever you want on, just by this one little stand. If you want to go grab yourself one of these, down in the description there's an affiliate link where I will get commission for every sale. They are cheap, they are reliable, and I think that you might actually want one in your setup. And if you do, you know where to go. I'm going to leave it at that because it's a short and sweet video, just checking out one of the little stands from SODI, and I appreciate them sending it out. If you like the video, hit the like, hit subscribe, notification bell so you don't miss the next upload. I sound like every YouTuber right now. And I appreciate you all watching till the end. Capture, create, captivate, that's what we've just done, and I'll see you all in the next one.